WhatsApp by default shows all users a last seen status of your contacts. The last seen status shows the last time when one of your contacts was last online. As you can see, if I open up WhatsApp on my phone and tap on one of my contacts, right underneath their name I can see the last time they were online. This feature pretty much bullies you into responding to messages quickly because your contact can see the last time you were online and they can come to a conclusion that you've been ignoring their messages. Luckily, you can easily hide the last seen timestamp, and in this video I will be showing you how you can hide this timestamp without downloading any third-party applications. So on Android phones, open WhatsApp and then tap on the three-dot icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. On iPhones, open WhatsApp and tap on the gear icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now the remaining steps are the same on both devices. Tap on Account and then tap on Privacy. On the Privacy screen, tap on Last Seen, which is located at the top of your screen. Now on the Last Seen screen, select Nobody and tap on the back icon to save your settings. And now that's it. None of your contacts will no longer be able to see your last seen timestamp. As proof, I'm closing WhatsApp on the phone on the left-hand side. And on the phone on the right-hand side, you can see that it no longer displays the last seen timestamp underneath the contact's name. The only downside to this method is that you also cannot see the last seen timestamp of your contacts. If you wish to see when your contacts were last online while still hiding your own last seen status, then you can make use of this little workaround. So on the last seen screen, select My Contacts instead of selecting Nobody. Now all you need to do is open the Contacts app on your phone and delete the contacts from whom you want to hide your last seen status. This workaround will allow you to view your contacts' last seen status, but they will not be able to view your status. This method's downside is that it only hides the last seen timestamp from the contacts that you have deleted from the Contacts app. It shows your last seen timestamp to everyone else, so this method is more suited for users who want to hide their last seen timestamp from a select few contacts. That's why I've given this method at the end, since it only applies to a few users. Unfortunately, this is the only way if you want to hide your last seen status and also view others' last seen status. That's it for this video, guys. If this video helped you out, please hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to make more videos. Also, like and share this video.